Welcome to Python tutorial, lesson 15. Today we learn file handling in Python. We will read, write, and append to files. The open function opens a file for reading or writing. Use W mode to write and A mode to append. The with statement closes the file automatically. Let us create file_basics.py. We open hello.txt in write mode with W. f.write adds each line to the file. Read returns the entire file as one string. Readlines returns a list of all lines. Append mode adds new lines without erasing. A for loop reads the file line by line. Strip removes the new line from each line. Let us review the code with bat. Now let us run the code. Write mode created hello.txt with 3 lines. Readlines returned a list with new line characters. After append, the file now has 5 lines. We can process file data into dictionaries. Enumerate tracks line numbers while reading. Pathlib provides modern file path operations. Let us create file_operations.py. We import path from the Pathlib module. We write student names and scores as CSV data. Enumerate gives us both the index and line. Next skips the header, then we split each line. We build a grades dictionary from the file. Path checks if the file exists and its size. Read_text loads the entire file as a string. Let us review the code with bat. Now let us run the code. Line by line showed the header at index 0. The grades dictionary had an average of 87.5. Pathlib showed the file name and its size. Let us build a log manager using file operations. We will write, filter, and count log entries. This combines reading, writing, and comprehensions. Let us create log_manager.py. We define 7 log entries with info, warning, and error. Each entry is written with its level in brackets. A for loop displays all log entries. A list comprehension filters lines containing error. We count each level using the get method. Sorted displays the counts in alphabetical order. Append mode adds a new entry to the log. Let us review the code with bat. Now let us run the log manager. The file started with 7 log entries. Two entries matched the error filter. After appending, the total became 8 entries. Let us recap file handling. The with statement closes files automatically. Use W to write, A to append, R to read. Pathlib provides modern file path operations. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more Python tutorials. In the next lesson, we will explore exception handling.